Hello, my Origin Trail pioneers. Today's class is going to be very simple, very easy, very nice. I'm crying a little bit because we are about to separate. Our time is coming to an end. I'm so excited yet so sad at the same time. It's something so beautiful, is it not? So today we're going to be doing something very simple. We're going to be reading data on your Origin Trail node. So let's take a look at that. To get back data regarding the specific trail of an object you are observing in supply chain, in this case with the ID SOM object identifier. So let's go back up. And as we see here this is the SOM object identifier. This is the OT object we're trying to identify. We will use the trail API. It will traverse the object graph based on specific criteria, depth, and connection types. When the graph traversal is complete, the call will return an array of OT JSON objects. Now we will be adding in some information here yet again, and I will do this for you and show you what it looks like right now. So this is what your typical command would look like in the trail command. Of course, we are using our correct IP address. As you can see here, we have filled in the identifier type here for ID. We have SOM object identifier. We'll be searching at a depth of 10. And of course, we're not really looking for any connection types here. And let's see the results. And there you have it. As you can see, we have the entire data set that we have uploaded, but there is a fundamental difference. It looks the same. It is the same data. Of course it is. But the fundamental difference is you are reading this from the actual Origin Trail node and not just the server. So when you open up Nano file, what you're actually doing is just reading the contents of the server. But what we just did was actually read the data from our node. Now let's read a little bit more about what we actually did there. Use this call to determine the historical graph of the object in the node database. In a real-life supply chain use case, the trail call will return the whole trail of events that has been published on the network regarding this specific object, regardless of the number of parties mentioning this object in their dataset. Once the amount of exchange datasets about this specific object in the supply chain grows, more information about the object will be returned by the trail call. And of course, our call matches our example directly. This is all we've really been interacting with. We've only really uploaded it to our node. So congratulations, you have officially done the basic input and outputs to your Origin Trail node. You've launched it, you've played with it, you've done it. And in fact, I would like to actually add in here, I did not deal much with data creation because I am a data holder. So I was not really posting much data to the network. I actually reached out to the Origin Trail team and obtained a little bit of assistance myself. This is to show that it's really an open community. If you run into issues, be sure to drop into the community chats. Go to Discord, reach out for help. I will help. Anybody will help. Just ask a question and you will receive. So guys, I feel a little bit sad, but I'm also excited that you guys are just gonna go do your own things. I hope you guys spread the message of love, peace, and keep tracing on. Stay tuned and stay beautiful.